coming in. The IMF has slapped 11 new conditions to Pakistan's $7 billion loan program. The International Monetary Fund has added 11 more stringent conditions on Pakistan under the latest staff-level review of its $7 billion bailout package. With the fresh additions, the total number of conditions has now risen to 64. Now, according to the IMF staff report released on Thursday, Pakistan will be required to publish the asset declarations of high-level federal civil servants on a government website by December 2026 to identify income-asset mismatches. Now, the obligation will later be expanded to senior provincial civil servants, while banks will be given full access to these declarations. Gursimran joins me on the phone line to give us more updates. Gursimran, IMF is slapping 11 more conditions to Pakistan on its loan program. What next? What is next for Pakistan in this regard?
See, trouble is mounting for the Pakistan. We have seen that IMF in the previous instances also has gone hard on the Pakistan. Reason being that the way Pakistan has been actively using this fund that has come from the International Monetary Fund for everything except for the usages that are permittable under the International Monetary Fund. And now 11 new conditions have been added to the $7 billion bailout package that has been given. And with this, since earlier there were 53 conditions that were laid down by IMF, now addition of the 11 conditions take the total number of conditions that are there against Pakistan to 64. So now they have to set in for every parameter, and then only they will be able to actually get this $7 billion bailout package. Because what has happened, last time it was the friend of Pakistan, Donald Trump, who actually rescued Pakistan for the bailout package. But this time the situation is altogether different, and also the internal turmoil in the Pakistan, that is also sending waves to the international community that it is not the time that the bailout be led to, and that is what the addition of these 11 conditions are.
That's right. Thank you, Gursimran, for giving us the details on that story. With that, we shift our focus, viewers, to more news and updates that we are tracking on Republic. Viewers, the search operations are continuing for the second consecutive day along the Indo-Pakistan international border in Samba district as forces intensify crackdown on suspected terror routes ahead of the snowfall in upper reaches. Here's a report filed by my colleague Gursimran.
Security forces have launched a massive search operations in the Samba district where the forces are scanning the dense forested area. Here you will see that these forests that have grown thick vegetation, and now here the troops of the Special Operations Group, they are scanning and searching out everything. They are